Hello, good morning po sa inyong lahat.
Morning!
Ayan, we are here at ano to? Diversion Road. Kami ay meron lang bibilhin something for our pastora.
Birthday na Nini. God bless you always po. Ingat po palagi. Ikaw.
Happy birthday, Pastora!
Happy birthday po. Ikaw, wish you good yourself always. God bless you.
God bless!
Hello, happy birthday, my dear pastor. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Mag-subscribe button. Masarap po ito.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Pastora Nene. God bless you more.
Go!
Happy birthday po, Pastora Nene. God bless you.
Hello po, Ate Nini. Happy birthday po. God bless you more.
Happy birthday, Pastor Nini. Happy Natal Day.
Happy birthday, Pastora Nini! May nakalakasan, long life. Love you!
Yes!
Happy birthday, Pastor Nini. God bless po. I love you. More blessing.
Happy birthday, Pastor Nini.
Happy birthday, Pastor Nini. Kamirit ba sila?
Happy birthday po, pastora.
Hi, Pastora. Happy birthday. God bless. Dalangin ko na marami pang birthday na darating sa iyong buhay.
Happy birthday, Ate Ni. Huwag mo akong iiwan agad. Kaya dapat mahaba pa ang iyong mga taong paglilingkod kasama kita. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Pastora Nini! Love you!
Maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo, pagdalaw at pagdadala ng maraming pagkain. Dahil kahit marami akong pera, hindi naman makabili. Kaya hindi na.
Pamigay na yan.
Nakatago. Nakatago. Kaya pagpalain kayong lahat. Hindi pwedeng ipasabog.
Once again has come your birthday. Once again the time. What a loving gift from Jesus. He has given you one more year. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May each day of the year may you feel Jesus near. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. And many more years to come.